Hi guys, it's Jules Lawrence and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be doing the video that I've promised to be doing for a long time now. It is my Zara DIY hack. So I have two pieces of clothing that I am going to recreate that I've seen either online in Zara or that I've purchased myself from Zara. So I'll be remaking them at a much cheaper cost to the originals, and they're kind of based off of the originals. They're not identical, but they are very similar. I'm so happy with the way that they came out and I hope you guys are too. So I'm going to give you a quick step-by-step easy guide, and I will have all of the items needed linked below for you to recreate these looks yourselves. But before I get started, as always, please remember to like this video if you do like it, leave a comment below, let me know what you thought, and finally do subscribe to my channel because I really appreciate it. Okay, let's go. First are these slim fit Zara jeans with velvet side stripes. The things you will need are an old pair of slim fit jeans, 5 meters of this gold velvet tape, a pair of scissors and a really basic sewing kit where I'll be using pale yellow cotton. To get started, you want to lay the stripe alongside your jeans in order to get the right length. Make sure to cut it slightly longer than you need as you'll be folding this stripe under the jeans hem. Do this twice to match the other side and then cut 2 longer lengths for the double stripe. You should now have 4 pieces in total. Begin to pin these stripes alongside the side hem of the jeans, ensuring you follow a straight line and that there's a small gap between the stripes. Then, using a really basic running stitch, sew these stripes onto the jeans. It's quite slow and fiddly at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll really speed up and it's quite easy. This clip isn't necessarily the best example, but you can see that it's best to go right to the edge of the stripe. When you reach the hem, you want to fold the stripe underneath the jeans and tie a big knot when you reach the end of the cotton for a clean finish. Next, I will be recreating this white structured t-shirt. I love the bright royal blue stripe on the sides, so that's definitely something that I wanted to include into my design. The things you will need are a very basic plain white sweatshirt, 2 meters of royal blue cord which I can link below in the description, a pair of scissors and again a basic sewing kit which I will be using the royal blue cotton. First, line up the cord along the side of the sweatshirt and then back down along the sleeve. This length will determine on the size of your sweatshirt, but you also need to do this twice so that you have 1 piece of cord for each side. Then you need to very carefully use a lighter to slightly singe the ends of the rope. This will give it a clean finish and it won't fray. Line this back up with the side of your sweatshirt and begin to pin it in place. Again, using a very basic running stitch, follow the join in the sweatshirt that's already existing along the side, stitching all the way up and down the sleeve, which again you will need to do twice for both sides of the sweatshirt. To further replicate the original, you could cut off the sleeves and the bottom hem, but as I already have the Zara t-shirt, I wanted something different. And I really like how it came out. If you would like to see more of these videos again in the future, then please do let me know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching and I will see you next week.